Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beard shampoos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rapid Beard Shampoo and Beard Conditioner Wash and Growth Kit. Wrapped in a premium box, this shampoo from Rapid Beard comes paired with a high-quality conditioner that is designed specifically for facial hair. When used on a regular basis, it makes your beard breathe freely and reduces the risk of annoying dandruff and all related effects. Both the shampoo and conditioner have a floral scent to them, which is quite pleasant and stays with you for the whole day. The only slight issue is that for some people, this scent might seem too strong. However, if you prefer pronounced smells, it won't be an issue for you. Speaking of the actual qualities of the kit, as of a cosmetic set, it works wonders maintaining your beard and keeping it healthy. Thanks to a simple yet highly efficient formula, it will not only cleanse and refresh your facial hair, but also soothe any itchiness that might occur after grooming. On top of that, thanks to the conditioning properties of the product, this shampoo will also hydrate your skin and efficiently tackle irritation if it occurs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Comfy Mate Wash and Conditioner. Apart from the beard shampoo itself, this grooming kit comes with everything a man might need for taking care of the hair on his face. Included in the box are a shampoo, a beard conditioner, oil, a beard balm, and even a comb, with the help of which anyone should be able to give their beard and mustache professional-grade grooming like that you get in barbershops. It's notable that the Comfy Mate Wash and Conditioner feature an upgraded formula designed to suit different types of facial hair, including long, short, thin, and thick beards, as well as mustaches. When it comes to the actual shampoo formula, it contains olive and jojoba oils, as well as algae and rosemary extracts that, when fused together, can not only wash your facial hair properly but also work to remove unpleasant itching and eliminate dandruff altogether. The hair conditioner, on the other hand, includes hyaluronic acid and the extract of marigold that moisturizes both your beard and your skin. At number 3, we have the Polished Gentleman Beard Wash and Conditioner set. When it comes to choosing a beard shampoo for sensitive skin, one might have a hard time finding the right product. Fortunately, there is a solution that is designed specifically for users with a rather tender skin type. The Polished Gentleman Beard Growth Combo Set is great for both first-time beard growers and experienced mane owners as well. By combining such ingredients as aloe vera, coconut oil, shea, and cocoa butter, the shampoo is ideal for any beard type. On top of that, each bottle features biotin, which hydrates facial hair and relieves skin dryness. Ideal for the use on a daily basis, and right after grooming, the Polished Gentleman Kit removes the annoying feeling of itchiness that occurs if you don't use the beard wash regularly. At number 2, we have the Professor Fuzzworthy's Beard Shampoo Bar. Handmade with the addition of leatherwood honey, this soap contains only organic ingredients, including Tasmanian lavender, apple cider vinegar, as well as nut oils that make your beard grow stronger and maintain your facial hair health. Although Professor Fuzzworthy's shampoo bar is among the most basic products on our list, it does its job surprisingly well. Designed not only for the beard but also for the hair and whole body, the Beauty and the Beast soap bar will simplify your washing experience a lot. When it comes to the actual effectiveness of this hard shampoo on your beard, you will definitely feel the difference as compared to applying standard hair products. Even after the first use, your beard will become soft and easier to tame. Besides, containing no sulfates and chemical fillers, the soap is absolutely safe even for the most sensitive skin, causing no allergic reactions or any other unwanted side effects. What's more, despite the modest size, the bar will last for pretty long, even when used regularly. And finally, at number 1, we have the Old Spice Beard Wash and Shampoo. Perhaps no company knows all the aspects of taking care of facial hair better than Old Spice. By providing the users with various body and hair care products, the manufacturer has built a name as a reputable brand. And why stop there? Today, Old Spice presents the universal beard grooming product with its newest beard shampoo formula that gently removes dirt and gives your facial hair a healthy look and luster. Removing grime and dirt aside, let's take a closer look at how this shampoo affects your beard after you've washed it. Regardless of your beard length, density, or shape, the beard wash will make it soft, straight, and a breeze to groom or style. The only drawback, however, is the fact that formula is synthetic, which makes it not the best option for users with sensitive skin. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.